Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you the free coding portal, which is to improve the skill of a programming language. Because usually, when you learn content of any programming language from your textbook, it is just an information. Okay, but the same way, like when you have information, it is okay for just sharing a reflection to any one of the experts. But usually what companies doing, no, they are just asking you to do a coding for hiring into any kind of programs. Okay, so the coding will not come just in a one day of time. Okay, coding need a lot of practice. Coding needs a lot of consistency in practice, and how long we are solving the logic. So that attribute is required to the company. So when you want to get placed for a higher packages. So what happened now? Like all the professors or institutions will not go for own customized portal. So there are few portals which is available in the internet to do a coding practice. So I'm going to demonstrate you a coding platform which is called as Exercism, exercism.org. Okay, let me show you the demo, how an Exercism is actually supports the student coding practice for getting their good job. Okay, I'm just clicking Exercism. So you will find a purple color logo, and there is an option. Just click the Exercism and it will take you to the main page. Okay, so the benefit of Exercism is, so Exercism challenges are there where we could use or practice any kind of tracks that is available. Let's say if you know Python, then you can select the Exercism using Python track, and if you know Java, then you could select JavaScript or Java, C++, any languages that you know. Okay, so Exercism offer 82 programming languages, and it has more than 100 of challenges, coding challenges, that every day if you could solve, they will release the badges, they will release the completion, and these kind of things are there. And one speciality in the Exercism portal is, it's a gamified portal. If you complete one coding exercise, then the next one will unlock. So what happened now? It will challenge your brain to solve the code and to move forward. Okay, let me show you a simple Python track, which I am already into the Python track. So sign up for free. So once you click a sign up, so it will ask you unique username, enter your email address, password, confirmations, and these kind of things are there. Since I already have an account, I am directly going into the login. So I have saved my username and password here. I'm just going to sign in, login. Yeah, you could see I have selected a lot of track. So let's say if I want to choose any track, I have to click learn and language tracks, and when I click see all, so it will show you 82 languages that you could master. So let's say I'm going to enroll in a Dart, so I have to just click a dot and join the Dart track. So similar, I have enrolled into Python, Java and Swift. Okay, so let me click the Python and it will take you to the exercises. And before that, and I told you, no, it's a learning portal and also a gamified portal to practice the coding. Okay, so let me getting into the Python track. Right, so here the exercises are there, and so if you click, let's say I have an exercise called ISBN verifier. So once you click ISBN verifier, it will take you to the main page. It will give you instruction and also an example and the task, which is to be a task in the sense like test cases we have. So when I click start in editor, yeah, then it will take you to the compiler page, and there are instructions how to solve and examples also there. So we have to read the examples and also the test cases, and what we have to do is we have to understand the Python basics and understand the logic of instruction. Then we have to code like def, whatever it is. So once you complete the code and if you run the test, then in case of error, the portal will show you the error. Otherwise the portal will pass your test case and you will be submitting. So one beautiful thing here is it is similar to the industry kind of model. So usually in other platforms, like there will be something A, B or input will be there, we have to code and get an output. But here it's similarly to the real world problem statements, real world cases, real world test cases will be there. We have to read and do that. So this is one quite popular and very important coding practice platform to the students who wanted to get into the IT sector. So this also have, I'll show you other features where it have. So it have a public profile, it has a badges, it will give you, and there is an option for public profile. Once you click a public profile, anybody could see your progress and how much solutions you have published. And also it has a learning mode. Let me show you the learning mode. Okay. The learning mode, yeah, it's there. I have disabled. So once I enable the learning mode, so whenever I want to solve any challenges, I have to go and read the concept, then I have to solve it. So both learning and practice will be happening here. So teachers could use this as a classroom resource to teach Python rather than going with a boring lecture method. Alright, thank you.